Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to Jongelo Entertainment. You are welcome. Here we give you sizzling hot gist of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. We give you sport news, celebrity news, new music, movie premieres, everything entertainment. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so as to get the latest updates of what is trending. And feel free to share this video. We have lots of gist for you. Nigerian music star Wizkid has always been in the news, no? Wizkid has spoken about the love he has for his kids in a new interview. He said that they are his purpose in life. That is sweet. The singer also spoke on why he was usually quiet on social media amid controversies. He said that only a stupid man would go around defending himself when he knows that he cannot please everybody. What is your take on this? People have been, complaining that Wizkid doesn't respond to tweets, he doesn't respond to stuff on social media. Sometimes some fellow artists will send him, birthday wishes, he won't even respond. And even when it is their birthday, he doesn't send them, messages. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. This is a picture of Atinuke, the first Miss Nigeria. Yeah, she won Miss Nigeria pageant in 1956, 3 years before Nigeria got her independence. Well, she looks good. She looks good and properly dressed. And I think she won a bicycle. She didn't win a car like what we have trending right now. An Ivorian lady finally gets the attraction of Nigerian crossdresser Bobrisky. The young lady got a tattoo of Bobrisky's real name. Bobrisky actually promised her 5 things. One of them being, drop me an account, sending you 1 million naira ASAP. 2, sir, you are not in Nigeria, but I will pay for your flight, first class and visa down to Nigeria for a visit. Thirdly, making you so famous. Fourthly, following back. And finally, a trip to Dubai. Well, congratulations to you, Bobrisky. You've been, rewarding your fan. Well, congratulations to those fans too that are, inking Bobrisky's name and face on their body. They are getting paid. So what is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comment below. And this is good news anyway. Not someone from Nigeria, someone outside Nigeria. Someone from, she's an Ivorian. She inked Bobrisky's name, real name, on her body. And don't forget, Bobrisky has lots of followers on Instagram. She has about 3 million plus. 3 million followers and counting on IG. So, she's got lots of fans out there. So what is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. The hottest couple in the world right now, not just in town, in the world. Man, this guy has been trending. He has done lots of movies like Creed, Black Panther, so many movies. Yeah, his name is Michael B. Jordan, and he's dating an actress too, Lori Harvey. They look good together. What is your take on this? Well, we don't know if they'll be getting married, but they are still dating, actually, and they look good together. Don't forget to drop your comments below. Funny. Social media across Africa have been sent into a frenzy by one Nigeria club. The club is Mighty Jets FC of Jos, that after signing a 25-year-old goalkeeper, Gobun Rodue. According to the club, Rodue was born on September 13, 1995. And as you can see, the guy has gray hair on his bed. And and according to Mighty Jets FC in Jos, they say the guy is just 25 years old. Does he look 25? Well, do the analysis and drop your comments below. Just look at him very well anyway, and don't forget forget to drop your comments below. Kim Kardashian, yeah, we all knew the Kardashians. They are so popular in the United States of America, not just in the United States, in the world in general. She soaks up in some, amidst divorce rumors with rapper Kanye West. There's this rumor that's been going on for almost a month now that she wants to divorce. She wants to get a divorce from the rapper Kanye West. And look at her; she doesn't look stressed. She just went out to catch fun, to relax herself. Quoting from Kim's latest Instagram post, and it shows her relaxing out in the sun and keeping her holiday spirit high. Wow. In a singular tweet, a Nigerian music fan has described Rema, a better artist, to Fireboy DML. The fan, even without saying much, declared Marvin Records and Jonesy World's artist a better artist to YBNL star Fireboy DML. There have always been an argument over who is more talented between these two. Yeah, just like the argument going on between Davido and Wizkid. Many have argued that Rema Boy is more popular than his colleague due to his massive streams on Spotify and other foreign streaming platforms, while the other half believes the YBNL act is a better lyricist when compared to Rema. What is your take on this? Who is better, Rema or Fireboy DML? Well, don't forget to drop your comments below. Student cars have been banned from entering Delta State Polytechnic. Yeah, we know what happened last week. These guys parked their cars, and when the lecturers drove in, lecturers could not park their cars because they occupied the parking lots. So right now, the schoolers could ban students from parking their cars inside the parking lot. So what is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments. Ike Onyema, yeah, the big brother Ike Onyema, just tweeted recently that seen people on my timeline asking why celebrities rather don't answer DMs. Truth is, we do, but nobody can reply all those DMs alone. And any celeb that don't check his or her DM every day is either stupid or they have too much money. Well, that is Ike. That is his take on the matter. People have been complaining that celebrities don't respond to their messages, but Ike says it's not easy because they have streams of messages, but he checks his messages at least every morning. Well, what is your take on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so as to get the latest updates on what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world in general. The CBN again, the federal government has ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria to unfreeze accounts of EndSARS protesters. This is good news, yeah. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday, February 10th, ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria to unfreeze the bank account of the 20 EndSARS protesters. Wow, that's good news anyway. Well, feel free to drop your comments below. Lil Frosh, this guy, he assaulted his girlfriend, not his wife, his girlfriend, with battery. So the court has ordered Lil Frosh to be remanded in prison for assaulting his girlfriend. Come on, Lil Frosh, why now? You're not even married and you're assaulting your girlfriend. That's not sweet anyway. Mercy Eke recently posted some new photos to her Instagram. The reality TV star and brand influencer also talked about her reasons for turning down things and friendships. Well, she's been turning down friendships. We all know that. Well, what is your take on this? Athlete Blessing Okagbere has done the country proud as she beat Usain Bolt's record and become Guinness World Record holder. Congratulations to her. Congratulations to you, Blessing. It's not easy. Usain Bolt's record. That's the fastest guy on earth, and you broke his record. You are not a guy, a lady. Wow, congratulations to you, Blessing. We are really proud of you. Thank you. Sunday Igboho again is in the news. They are saying the federal government should unfreeze his account or there will be serious protests in the southwest. Wow. What is your take on this? Yes, ask the federal government to unfreeze his account. That if the federal government don't, there will be serious protest. Move on from Nigeria and from Africa to the United States of America. Justin Bieber, Canadian-born singer Justin Bieber, he just got himself a custom futuristic Rolls-Royce Ritz that is worth over 125 million. The car is beautiful. Just look at the car. I mean, this car is worth over 125 million naira. Also in Africa, a Nairobi University female graduate runs mad after dumping a man who paid her school fees. And according to the reply, let me read what someone replied to this tweet or to this post. Someone replied that, can anyone or is there anyone with contact of that traditional doctor? People are angry. People are really angry in this world right now. Anger is boiling. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Bobrisky again. He tweeted recently that helping people from the streets is never my problem. And Bobrisky says this after giving a fan 4 million naira and iPhone 12. I mean, this guy or girl, he's been doing good anyway. I mean, he's been spending money lavishly. I mean, not really spending as per se buying stuff, but helping fans, helping people out there in the streets. Congratulations to you, Bobrisky. You've been doing well. A man, wins land dispute against a church. After winning the land dispute, he went back to the church to give thanksgiving in the same church. Nigeria is a funny country, a very funny country. Yeah, congratulations to Okonjo-Iweala. President Joe Biden's administration on Friday offered its strong support to Nigeria's Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala to lead the World Trade Organization. Congratulations to you once again, madam. The Trump administration didn't really favor you. Well, we have another administration now in the United States of America, and congrats to you. And we hope we know you will win. Yeah, you win because you have massive support for that office. Donald Trump was giving you headache, but now everything has changed for good. Let's move on to football. Didier Drogba has said there is a dream he couldn't achieve as a player. What is that dream, you might have? Because he did very well in Chelsea, he did very well in, Ivory Coast. I mean, he was an excellent striker. According to the Ivorian striker, he said his dream was to play with Cristiano Ronaldo in the same team, that he would have loved to share a pitch with him and combine to score goals. But the dream didn't come true. Well, but congratulations to you, Didier Drogba. You did very well as a footballer. I mean, Chelsea cannot forget you. You are a living legend. Thank you very much for watching Jongelo Entertainment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so as to get the latest updates on what is trending. Hope you are entertained. Have a lovely day.